Apple has finally integrated support for rich communication services, RCS, to the Messages app. The functionality was introduced in the second developer version of iOS 18 earlier this week. RCS is a communication system that allows you to send and receive files and high-quality photos over the internet, as well as see typing indicators, receive read receipts, and initiate group chats. Previously, iPhone users could only send SMS or MMS messages from the Messages app to people who did not own an Apple device. You could only exchange media, receive read receipts, and use other capabilities through iMessage with other Apple device users. With this upgrade, iPhone users can begin texting and exchanging files with anyone using a device that supports RCS. This includes the vast majority of Android phones. However, communications from Android smartphones will continue to appear as green bubbles in iMessage. For the time being, it appears that RCS support is limited to US carriers, such as T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon. While consumers can see the option if they have obtained the iOS 18 developer beta, the feature is only available if their mobile carrier supports RCS and has updated its network bundle for iOS 18. We'll update this report whenever we learn that the protocol is being supported in more regions. During its Worldwide Developer Conference, WWDC keynote, earlier this month, Apple made a brief mention of RCS support in iOS 18. When messaging contacts who do not have an Apple device, the Messages app now supports RCS for richer media and more reliable group messaging compared to SMS and MMS, Apple stated in a press statement announcing iOS 18. For years, iPhone and Android customers have asked Apple to integrate RCS since it makes it easier to message and share with people regardless of whatever device they use. For years, Google has pushed Apple to bridge the blue-green bubble barrier,